One of my favorite technological advancements over the past decade or so has been the adoption of key organizers. Gone are the days of getting stabbed in the leg whenever you sat down with a bunch of keys. Now, what if I told you you can get one of these for just under $20? Enter the KeySmart. Now, KeySmart have been around since around 2013. They were one of the original key organizer brands. And over time, they've just built up a mammoth collection of various key organizers and accessories. And this is their original, simplest KeySmart. You can see here, this is the packaging that it comes in. Nothing too crazy here. And once you unbox it, let's look at the product itself. This key organizer is made from, as they say, aircraft grade aluminum. This one is a black one, but it comes in a variety of different colors: red, blue, titanium. So first impression, it's very light. It comes in at 15 grams just for the organizer, as you can see here. And this model I have supposedly can hold up to 8 standard sized keys. And I just wanted you to remember that standard sized keys because I want to show you how it fits my keys later on. You can also purchase expansion sets online if your keys are particularly thick. Now let's look at how easy or hard this thing is to assemble, because I've seen some reviews saying it's a bit cumbersome, but let's look for ourselves. You'll probably need a coin or a flathead screwdriver to unscrew these two ends right here. But once you do, you'll be able to add your keys like so. Now I think where people get stuck or frustrated is they try to resolve both sides simultaneously. But if you watch some of KeySmart's videos, they actually suggest filling up one side first and then just balancing out with the other side. Now this can fit normal keys, but I also have a pretty thick mailbox key. It's pretty common here where I live, and it's a bit of a rubberized end, but it is a bit thick, so that just fits pretty exactly. So what happens is that if you do have these thicker keys, obviously they'll take away from that maximum 8 key limit. If you do have something like a key fob like I do for my apartment or a car key, they do include this little loop ring that you can then attach to your KeySmart. So before you finish up, you want to make sure that these two ends right here are roughly the same height, and that's where these little rubber spacers come in to be able to help you do that. So that's it. It took a bit of figuring out, but nothing too crazy, and now that I know how to do it properly, it's pretty easy for me to just add and remove keys as I go. Now the other cool thing about this product is that it's part of a larger KeySmart ecosystem of tools and accessories. And to show you, let's go to our in-house researcher, me. So if you actually go through their website, you'll see a lot of different tools in here that you can use or add to your KeySmart. So they have a blade, they have a multi-tool, they have USB stick, bottle opener, folding knife. You can really go down the rabbit hole here and end up with almost a Swiss Army knife on you just with your house keys in them, which is pretty cool. So now that we've had it set up, how does it actually perform in the real world? I've seen a few reviews saying that the keys are too tight, but I feel like that's just up to you and how tightly you screw it. So for me, I've had it tight enough where I can still open it in one go like this with one hand, but it won't sort of jiggle around and just slide open. I, for one, have loved having my keys in this very small, slim form factor. And the fact that this is so light means that I didn't really add any additional weight. No more annoying key rattling from a key set as large as this, and no more getting stabbed in the thigh. Now let's go to the price. As for the price, it varies by vendor. I've seen this here in Australia for under 20 Australian dollars, and I've seen it online for well under 20 USD, although I think 20 USD is their standard retail price. I guess you might be wondering, at this price point, does it have any sort of warranty? And let's go back to our researcher again to answer that question. Now let's look at their warranty. So if you scroll down here, you can see they have a 2-year warranty. All new KeySmarts purchased come with a 2-year warranty. And the best part here is that they cover normal wear and tear. So I've seen a lot of these different warranty pages where they say, oh, normal wear and tear is included. It's just if there's a defect. So I think this is really impressive, especially for something as affordable as KeySmart, which is under $20. They still have a 2-year warranty. So overall, I do think that this is awesome value for the price, especially when you consider that warranty and what you're getting from it. A big thank you to KeySmart for sending me this product, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a cheap way to get your keys organized. Now, if you like this video and want to see more EDC videos from me, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. You can check out my EDC from just earlier this year right here. I'm preparing to release a newer version of that video, and if that's already live by the time you watch this video, you'll also see it right here. Alright, see ya, bye!